Connecting your oven to LG ThinQ. If you are using LG products, you can make your life a lot easier by connecting them to ThinQ. Connecting devices to ThinQ on Android phones. Before connecting your device, make sure both the oven and the router are powered on, and the ThinQ app is installed on your phone. If everything is all set, let's find out how to connect your oven. Open the ThinQ app on your mobile phone. Touch the Add button on the home screen. Then select Oven from the list. Following the instructions on the screen, press and hold down the Wi-Fi enabling button for more than 3 seconds. Check to see if the Wi-Fi icon or the LED light is blinking on the unit. Proceeding when the icon or the light is not blinking will prolong the process. Enter the password of the Wi-Fi router you are using. Then move closer to the unit and touch the Connect button on the app screen. When the oven is connected, it will appear on the home screen of the app. And that brings us to the end. Now your oven is connected.